In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a payment link in Hubspot. This process is straightforward and efficient, enabling you to access quick transactions seamlessly within your HubSpot platform. By the end of this guide, you will be able to create and share payment links with ease. Let's dive in. First, we begin by heading to the HubSpot homepage. If you're not yet familiar, HubSpot is a comprehensive tool that helps businesses grow by offering software and tools designed for marketing, sales, and customer service. Once you've arrived at their homepage, look for the login button and click on it. You'll need to sign in with your credentials to access the HubSpot dashboard. After logging in, you'll be directed to your HubSpot homepage. The homepage is your central hub where you can access all the different functionalities HubSpot has to offer. To create a payment link, navigate to the section labeled Sales in the main navigation bar, and from the drop-down menu, select Payment Links. This area is specifically dedicated to managing your payment processes. Once you've clicked on Payment Links, you'll want to create a new payment link. Find the button labeled Create a Payment Link and click on it. This will open up a new page where you can start setting up your payment link. For convenience, HubSpot offers templates to streamline this process. Click on Use Template, which provides you with pre-existing frameworks you can customize for your needs. It's always a good idea to use these templates if you're looking for simplicity and quick deployment. After selecting a template, click on Next to proceed. In the next step, you'll see an option called Select from Product Library. This is where you choose the products or services you want to associate with your payment link. By clicking on this option, you'll be directed to your product library within HubSpot. Here, choose a product that you wish to sell and click on it. Once you have selected your desired product, click Add to finalize the selection. You have now attached this product to your payment link. A confirmation message might pop up letting you know that your product has been added successfully. If everything looks good, click Close to proceed to the next stage. Now you're ready to create the payment link. Click on the Create button, which will take you to a form where you can provide a name for your payment link. This name is important because it helps you identify this link among others, so make it as descriptive as necessary. Lastly, after verifying all the details, click on Create once more. Your payment link is now ready. You can share it with customers, embed it in emails, or place it on your website. Remember that sharing a payment link is a great way to facilitate transactions and improve customer interactions by simplifying their payment process. And there you have it. You've successfully created and are now ready to share a payment link in HubSpot. Thanks for following along, and be sure to join us for more tutorials to improve your workflow with HubSpot.